Hi everyone, I hope everyone's doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy ear warmer. The yarn is gold and it's by Loops and Threads, 100% acrylic and 285 yards. And I am going to use the eye to make this ear warmer. So I'm going to use a 5.5 millimeter hook. We're going to chain 17. And after chaining 17, we're going to single crochet in the first 3 chains. Remember how to single crochet? You just go into the chain, pull the yarn through, pull through 2. That's how you single crochet. Again, you go into the chain, pull the yarn through, pull through 2. Okay, so that's 3 single crochets. Now we're going to do 10 half double crochets. Now, how do we do that? We wrap, go into the next chain, pull the yarn through, pull through all 3. You got that? Wrap, go into the next chain, whoops, pull the yarn through, pull through all 3. And we're doing 10 of these. Wrap, go into the next chain, pull the yarn through, pull through all 3. Okay? I'll see you at the end of 10 half double crochets. I'm doing my last half double crochets. This is 10. Come on, chain. Okay, this is 10. And then the next 3, we're going to single crochet. 1, 2, and then the last one, 3. We're going to chain 1 and turn. Now, this is what we're going to do until we get to 54 rows or 56 rows, depending upon the size of the person's head. Okay, you may end up doing 50 rows. You just have to measure the person's head that you're going to make the ear warmer for, or a headband, as some of them call them. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Now, we're going to single crochet. I want to make sure you see this. We're going to single crochet right into the single crochet. You see how I'm going right in here? You see where I'm going? We're going to single crochet right here. The next thing we're going to do, we have 2 more single crochets to do. So we're going to single crochet these 2 in the back loop. So we're not going to go here. We're going to go inside into the back loop, and we're going to single crochet these 2. Now it's time to do the half double crochets, and we're going to do the half double crochets in the back loop. So we're going to wrap, we're going to go into the back loop right here, and we're going to do half double crochets. All right, we're going to wrap, go into the back loop, and do half double crochets, just like that. Whoop. You see how I'm doing it? I'm wrapping, I'm going into the back, I'm pulling the yarn through, and as I do it, I'm holding right here, and I'm keeping it tight because I don't want the loop to come up too high. Okay, so I'm trying to keep it tight. Wrap, go into the back, pull the yarn through, pull through 3. Wrap, go into the back, pull the yarn through, pull through 3. See how that is? And try not to be too tight. Be kind of loose with your crochet. Wrap, go into the back, pull the yarn through, pull through 3. Okay, so now we have 3 single crochets. So what we're going to do this time, we're going to do the opposite of what we did here. On this side, we did a single crochet right into the stitch. And then with the next 2, we went into the back loop. This time, we're going to go into the back loop with these 2 and then go into the single crochet here. Alrighty, so we're going to single crochet in the back loop. 1, 2, oh shoot, sometimes yarn splits. Okay, we're going to go into the second one. And in the last one, we're not going to go into the back loop. We're going to go right into the single crochet. Okay, we're going to go right in where you see the 2 strands up top and single crochet. This time what we're going to do, we're going to chain 1. We're going to turn. And we're going to go right into the single crochet. Right here, we're going to go right into the single crochet. And then we're going to go into the back loops. In the back loop of the next 2 single crochets. And then we're going to do the 10 half double crochets. Okay, and this is all you do until you get to your between 50 and 56 rows. But I'm doing 54 because I want to make sure the headband's tight. I mean, for a normal size head, I think 56 is too much, but 54 or between 50 and 54, I think it's good enough because it's going to stretch anyway. So I'm going to continue on and I'm going to do a few more rows. Oops, so you can see how it's going to look. And I'll be right back in a flash. I did a few more rows so you could see how it's looking or how it looks, okay? And the way I count the rows, I count the humps. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like that. Now, I'm not going to do the whole ear warmer with you. Just know that you're going to go to between 50 and 56 by measuring the head. I'm going to show you how to close it, okay? And all we're going to do is slip stitch. Just make believe that I'm done with the number of rows I'm going to do. So now I'm going to close the ear warmer up. So I'm going to put it together like this. I can weave in the ends later. Okay, so we're going to take our crochet hook. We're going to go into the first stitch and we're going to meet up with the loop. We meet up with the loop and we go through and we're going to take our hook and we're going to do a slip stitch. This is how you do a slip stitch. You go into the next stitch on both sides, pull the yarn all the way through like that. You see that? And then you go to the next. Pull the yarn all the way through. And this is how you close it up. Okay, you see this? See what I'm doing? I'm just doing slip stitches. That's all I'm doing. Going to the next stitch on both sides and pull it all the way through. Just like that. You see how it's closing up? See? That's all I'm doing. Whoop. Okay. And that's it. And you just cut your yarn and weave in the ends. You see that? That's how you close it up. Alrighty? Okay. I hope this was easy for you. I'm going to show you what the headband looks like after you're done. This is a completed headband with 54 stitches. Alright, this is how it looks on both sides, the completed headband. Okay, my friends, this is how the ear warmer looks. It turned out well. I'm very happy with it. And I hope you enjoyed my video. There'll be more ear warmers to come. So I'll see you soon. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me have some of your comments. I'd really like to know how you think I'm doing, or if there's something else you would like for me to make. I'll see you again soon. Bye now.